I just took an online IQ test that claims it can measure your intelligence in about 15 minutes. But the real question is it actually accurate or just another gimmick? Hi, I'm Jason. In this video, I'll be breaking down exactly what MyIQ is, how it works, and whether it is actually worth your time. This is a full, honest MyIQ review. In it, I'll be showing you how the test works step by step, what kind of results you get, and whether it is useful or not. In addition, I'll be looking at the feedback it has received, for instance on Trustpilot. If you want to try it yourself, I've included a link in the pinned comment and description that you can use to sign up and follow along. Now, let's dive in. So first, what is MyIQ? MyIQ is an online platform that offers a quick IQ test designed to measure things like memory, logic, speed, focus, and reaction time. The test is made up of around 25 questions and takes on average 10 to 15 minutes to complete. Now, what makes it different? Now, what makes this interesting is that it's designed to feel similar to professional Mensa-style IQ tests, rather than just random online quizzes. So instead of just giving you a number, it actually breaks down your strengths, areas for improvement, and how you compare to others. And let's be honest, most online IQ tests are either too simple, not accurate, or just trying to get clicks. So I wanted to see if this one actually is different. So let's go ahead and take the test and see how it actually works. First, you're going to tap the link in the description. Once you have done that, you're going to land on the MyIQ homepage. From there, you can start the test immediately. You're just going to tap on Start Test Now. After you have selected Start Test Now, from here you can answer the questions. For example, you can see right there, the question will start off with logic, then it will also go into areas like pattern recognition, memory, and also problem solving. And as you go through the test, you'll notice it gets progressively more challenging. And this is where it gets interesting, because some of the questions actually require you to think a bit deeper, not just guess. Once you finish, you'll get your results almost instantly. Instead of just a score, you'll see your IQ score, a percentile ranking, and a breakdown of your performance. This is actually useful because it gives you more context, not just what your score is, but what it actually means. Now, this is where MyIQ stands out a bit. It is not just an IQ test platform. For example, with MyIQ, if I were to go onto Lobby, you can see different games that you can play. Also, if we were to select courses, you can see different courses that you can complete. For example, you have emotional intelligence mastery. You also have professional confidence building. And if you want to do different tests, you can do that. So for example, you can do the ADHD test, you can do the career fit test. You have numerous options that you can choose from. So instead of just measuring intelligence, you can also get insights into your behavior, communication style, and emotional patterns. And honestly, this is where the platform becomes more interesting, because it's not just about IQ, it's about understanding yourself overall. Now, let's talk about the different use cases, as this can be useful if you want to test your cognitive abilities, are curious about your IQ, or you just want more self-awareness. You can also use it as a starting point for improving focus, working on weak areas, or understanding how you think. Because once you complete the test, you can tap on See My Results right here. After you have selected See My Results, you can scroll down. You could select Start Training, and from there you can tap on Start Training, and you'll be able to improve your score, as you can see right here. Now, in terms of pricing, MyIQ offers a 7-day trial for $1, and then you can continue with a subscription if you want full access. And by the way, the reason why you're seeing this is because I'm currently located in Jamaica, so it will automatically convert it to your particular currency. So just make sure you understand the pricing before continuing. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of MyIQ. First, starting with the pros. Quick and easy to take, detailed results, and multiple tests in one platform. And it works on any device. The only pullback I would say is it's not a certified official IQ test. If I were to go onto Trustpilot, you can see that they have a 4.1 star ratings with over 123,000 reviews. And by scrolling down, you can see up to 7 days ago, this user had to say the test is challenging and a good gauge of visual acuity, spatial reasoning, and number sequences, but not much in general knowledge. And the only pullback I realize that persons have is when it comes onto the pricing, as a lot of persons don't read the pricing that it says. After the 7 days, you'll automatically be added to a subscription plan. So if you don't want to go onto the subscription plan, you can choose to cancel it. But if it is a case that you want to go onto it, you'll just leave it as is. And that is basically how it stays with majority of platforms. If it is a case that you don't cancel your subscription or the sign up, you'll automatically be subscribed. Now, in conclusion, is MyIQ worth it? If you're looking for a quick and structured way to test your IQ and get additional insights into your personality and behavior, then yes, it's definitely worth trying. If you want to test your IQ yourself, I've left a link in the description so you can try it out. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more reviews like this. And if you want to see more tools like this, check out the next video on screen. Thanks for watching.